What we have here is some unsweetened cocoa powder, some chocolate peanut butter whey protein, some low calorie sweetener, some oats, and I will be getting some skimmed milk as well. And that is what we're going to need for these chocolate treat recipes. So, what you're going to do for the first oat one, Jesus, I'm all over the place, is weigh out. So this is just going to be a small bowl. Again, you can scale these up. I'm going to weigh out 190 grams of skimmed milk while using 30 grams of oats. And then that is going to get 2.5 minutes in the microwave. And that's the first one. In a bowl is then going to go 1 scoop of protein, and all I'm going to do is add a teaspoon of sweetener and a teaspoon of cocoa powder, and that is going to be, it's not the correct teaspoon, where the hell's the teaspoons? That'll do it. A teaspoon of sweetener, teaspoon of cocoa powder, and you just want to add like a wee drop of water at a time, just one wee kind of, not a hell of a lot at all, and then just stir it around. Now what I like to do is put it on a rice cake as well, so you can get like some chocolate chip rice cakes or something along those lines. It's a great way to take away a chocolate craving but not completely blow your diet. That diamondized protein tastes absolutely brilliant. I would highly recommend it. That is exactly what you're looking for. So you get like a protein spread that in a couple of rice cakes, and it's like having some dessert, some chocolate dessert. And then for the oats, all I'm going to do is add in a teaspoon of sweetener and a teaspoon of cocoa powder again, and that's it. So the porridge is done. All I'm going to do is add a teaspoon and a bit of the cocoa powder, same of the low calorie sweetener. Stir that in, give it a good mix about, and this consistency is pretty much what I'm looking for as well. Again, it's maybe a strange combo, I'll accept that, but I am a chocolate fanatic, and if you're looking for fixes, if you're looking for diet hacks and things like that, then these things do most certainly help. That is my 2 chocolate treats. I will again put the spread on rice cakes, things like that, maybe dip some fruit in it and stuff. You can do anything with it, to be honest. Whatever suits you, but it's something just to take away that sweet tooth, to keep you on track, to keep you on point with your chocolate cravings, because I am absolutely mental for chocolate. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment below, subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one.